age, within the 90s, 80s, kind of there, okay? Do you remember Blue Contrail? She used to like these glasses, okay? In the 2000s, what you do? So please do not mind these glasses, guys. My eyes are quite sore because I've been working overtime regarding to my businesses. Hi, guys. If you all are new here, my name is Etlin Motsamai, and I am actually on this channel to teach you how to make money with no money, okay? Or if you have side hustles, to try and improve them as well as online businesses. Make sure you do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I highly appreciate it. Tell your friends about it. Also, another thing is you comment and tell me what other topics must I talk about, okay? Now, this is an unedited channel, so therefore I will make mistakes so that you'll feel like I'm a human being. There's somebody behind here that's a human being, okay? Also, another thing is, guys, you must click the link below, right? It's my digital products that are there to teach you step by step, you know, in terms of my ebooks as well as my podcast. So therefore, my podcast is about sex and relationships. It's also going to be on Patreon soon. So therefore, you can go and listen to it right now because there is 3 episodes, okay? All right, guys, if you are a retired Onlyfans model or you want to retire from the game, I've got information for you as to how to not delete that page, okay? Now, one thing is that you can actually erase everything and keep that page. Listen to me, because at the end of the day, those customers will understand that you want to grow, okay, in life, okay? So what you're going to do, yes, you're going to need your niche market, but you're going to cater to that same niche market that wanted your explicit content, okay? So this is how you're going to do this. You're going to offer exclusive fitness courses, okay? So say, for instance, you're very fit, or you're a man or a woman that's very fit, that's on OnlyFans, that was doing explicit content. You are going to offer them as to how you did your gym routine, your prepping, how you did your cutting of your weight, everything, okay, and weight loss journey. And you're going to make it into courses as well as your workout routines, okay? And you're going to teach every client how you did it and get clients from there physically. So you can even book them on that same OnlyFans as well as sell your courses. You can lock the very important content on there as well as give them free content to say, like kind of like a pre-recorded video for them to feel like buying that video, okay? So that's number one. You're also going to do an 18 plus podcast, okay? What you know about YouTube is that, guys, I've been in the YouTube industry for many years before I closed my YouTube channel. I used to do some explicit content here before. So what I noticed that with the guidelines of YouTube, they do not allow you to do that, okay? Because there's kids here on this YouTube channel. So we have to respect YouTube, okay? So what you're going to do is that you're going to start an 18 plus podcast show on your OnlyFans because you already got an audience. And then it's going to grow and it's going to grow and it's going to grow. And what you're going to do is that if you want to go towards the social media that do not cater for 18 plus information, you're going to go and open up a link tree. It's LINKTREE. Okay, a Linktree account, and then you're going to place your link for OnlyFans there and tell them you've got an 18 plus podcast show, okay, whereby you can swear, you can talk about sex, you can talk about this, you can talk about that, but at least at the end of the day, you're getting monetized for that in a proper way, okay? You can just be yourself on OnlyFans. Another thing is that, guys, if you are readers, okay, if you are readers and you are writers and you have that enjoyment, you have that skill, and you've always wanted to be a writer or an author, you don't have to bother anymore. You don't have to bother. You see, what you're going to have to do is that you go to your voice recording on your phone, okay? And therefore, you're going to record an episode of erotic stories and you're going to sell them on OnlyFans. You can even go towards the highest length and make AI videos and make them in order for you to actually gain or monetize from the erotic stories, okay? I will teach you all about AI further down the line. Right now, I'm just doing the basics, guys, so that the fact you can earn money in order for me to speak about the money apps that you have to place in order to make more money. Okay. Another thing is, if guys, you are very social, okay, as an adult content creator, if you're a very social person or you like people, you can open a cell. I'm saying open a cell. You can open a program whereby it's called Sip and Paint, okay, where you can sell a program whereby every Saturdays and Fridays and Sundays you can do bachelorette parties whereby you can get a stripper or you can get yourself, I don't know. And then they can stand there, and then the bachelors and the bachelorettes can actually paint you and have drinks and stuff. And even if you have to sell toys or whatever content that you have, the Sip and Paint, what will happen is that it will grow more followers, get more subscribers for you, and you can actually take, like, you know, the whole entire scenery of the whole entire event and sell it on your OnlyFans and still promote that you do it. So guys, I hope that helped you. I have many more information what to do with OnlyFans that is not for exclusive content, like explicit content, okay? Because at the end of the day, guys, you can't just throw away money, okay? That OnlyFans account, it needs you, okay? It's still a platform whereby you can do non-nude content and still get monetized for it, okay? Guys, as I stated, please subscribe. Please listen to my podcast as well. It's under Elite Central. Elite Central is also going to be on dropshipping soon. So look out for that. I will give you the link, and bye guys.